No. Number 4. Who's got number 4? That's you! Oh my God! Are you going to do a striptease for me right now? Spin! Oh, I love it! Right, how many more prizes have we got to get rid of? 2 more? Last 2. Let's give it to you. What number? Number 5! Who's got number 5? Hey! Come on. There we go. Oh, you're very sparkly as well, aren't you? Oh, that Marilyn Monroe. Right, is this the last one? This is a £300 voucher. Oh my God. Are we ready? Are we ready? Seriously? I'm not even looking. For £300. I don't know why I said it like Dracula, but it sounds good. Number 45! Oh God, come here! Lady in red is dancing with me, cheek to cheek. Hi, look at you. There you go, £300 voucher.